Hey, my name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I've worked at IRS over a decade. I worked about 10,000 cases. I'm a national figure on the IRS tax resolution scene. I've been doing this a long time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTubes are short, sweet, and to the point. And what I do, I'm kind of more unique than other people. I'm a former agent who was a teaching instructor, and I really pull the curtain back and show you how IRS works their cases. They're not theories or this. This is really a true how-to in the situation, what you need to do. So with my volume of experience, I'm trying to pass that on to you to help you. So me and my M&M man give you a color coordinated. They give you a thumbs up. So today I want to talk to you about what happens if the deadline for your 1058 to file a collection due process hearing passes. Well, you really don't need to worry about that. IRS has another means to go ahead and to dispute your debt. You can go ahead and file an equivalency hearing on the same form. On the very same form you were supposed to file your CDP, you can go ahead and you can file for your equivalency hearing. It's form 12153. 12153. Request for collection due process or equivalency hearing. So if you're within the time period of the 1058, you check the collection due process. If you're past the time for the collection due process, you go to equivalency hearing. If you don't call IRS after the end or file an equivalency hearing at the end of that CDP, 30 days, IRS is going to go ahead, file a federal tax lien, send out wage garnishments, and they're going to go ahead and they will go ahead and send bank levies out. The form is very simple, has your name, telephone number they want, your ID number, the types of tax. I'm just reading from the form. The basis for the request. Usually you don't want a federal tax lien. IRS is proposing a levy or actual levy or garnishment. You just want to let them know what hearing you want. So if you're past the 30 days, remember, you need the equivalency hearing. So you're going to go right down and check. The most important box here is this is the reason you want the hearing. You can put any solid reason. Hey, I can't pay the tax right now. There's something unusual going on. I'm going through a hardship. There's a whole bunch of reasons that you can use. If you have a medical illness, you lost your job. The neat thing about these equivalency hearings, first of all, you can't go to tax court if you don't like the action. No one's going to, maybe one out of every, 10,000 people do that. But really, what's really cool about this, it suspends the case and puts the hands in one person, an appellate officer at IRS. That's what you want. You don't want to call the bank a 1-800 numbers because God forbid, you never know who you're going to get. But the people who do, the agents who do the collection due process or the equivalents, they're a little smarter agents, they're a higher tier, and they're more understanding working your case. So if in fact your time period passes for your collection due process, just simply go ahead and dial up form 12153 and then fill out one-page form. That's all you got to do. Just put a good solid reason. Let them know you don't want the federal tax lien, you don't need a levy, I had an economic problem going on, health issue, business issue, and then you will get your day with your own private person. By the way, I try to give you the information you need, and I try to get this information out there. YouTube values those who subscribe to my channel. They put value on that. I want to continue to do this, but I want to make sure I add value to everything. So if you just subscribe or like, subscriptions are more important. If you have questions for me, leave comments. I answer all my comments, and I try to go ahead and actually make YouTubes if you have suggestions. I'm always around for representation. If you have small cases, you can do these CDPs or equivalency hearings by yourself. If your case is a little more than just average, you don't want to do that. You want to hire somebody who knows their way around IRS. There's so many little back streets here people don't know. But I don't want to take away from you doing it yourself. So I just want to let you know. But if you want results, you really should go to someone who knows really what they're doing. Anyway, thank you for that subscription. I really appreciate you. Thank you.